Okay, so yesterday after we came back to bring the water jug back over here, the block mason was out here doing measurements last night about 7:30 and realized that he built the wall wrong. Is between 5 and 8 inches out of square. He said 5 inches. Our builder remeasured this morning and said it was 8 inches. I guess 4 on each side. So they had to tear the whole foundation down today. So they've started rebuilding it. This wasn't part of it. It's not attached there. It was square, but that whole back wall there had to come down. They had to redo it today, so they've started putting it back together. This wall here wasn't removed. You can kind of tell by the different color of the mortar. But the porch was completely removed. Both walls of it. All right, so I'm back. The builder called on the phone, so talk to him. Anyway, I got a little clarity. They're gonna have the rest of this porch rebuilt tomorrow. I'm gonna have everything of this foundation will be done tomorrow. He said by shortly after lunchtime. This is really all they lack. And then connect this wall to the porch. And go ahead and show you what was done. Builder was just explaining it to me over the phone, so I kind of know now. They had to shorten this block here. That's why that's shorter, and it's got a larger mortar line, as you can see, compared to where it was. But it's square now, and they did damage a bunch of blocks. You see a bunch of trash out there and a bunch over here, and this is all the mortar they knocked out. So they'll get all that. Probably won't clean it up. What they'll probably do is pile it up, and he had mentioned we'll just put it inside of the garage as some backfill. That way it's good, strong cement backfill, and won't have to deal with loading it up and hauling it off. It worked good for that. But this, we were wondering yesterday what this was, and this is where the bottom of the carport is going to be, the garage floor. You can see it, but I've already piled a little dirt over there. Try to fill this in, so the rest of this garage will be all the way up to here, to this level, which is pretty high. So essentially the slab will be 4 inches above that block there. So everything we're walking on will be covered in dirt and gravel and concrete. So it'll be closer to this height before they put the gravel and the concrete on top of it. You can see that wall over there. It's got a pretty good ways to go. But anyway, they're going to have this done tomorrow, and they're actually going to stucco this tomorrow. They're only stuccoing part of the wall. The front of the house and the back of the house, where the basement is at, the walls will be rock. In the side over here, we'll have rock on it, so it looks prettier. And then the rest of the walls on the back side and all that will be just covered in stucco, just to where it'll kind of conceal all of the brick lines and whatnot. But that'll be done tomorrow as well. But I got to load up this water tank. It's about to storm again, and figured I'd give you an update on what was accomplished. Pretty upset yesterday about this. We got here and thought it was about done, and found out they had to tear it back down, but they did pretty fast work with that today. So they'll be done tomorrow. Do another video then. And he was saying that his framing crew will be over here probably next Wednesday, depending on the weather. The wood will be here then, and they'll start the wood. He said that they won't leave until there's shingles on the roof. So that portion should go a little quicker than this foundation is gone. All right, over and out.